Discover the intricate layers of human skin and muscles in stunning 3D detail. A hand presses firmly on the skin, compressing tissue and muscle below. Watch closely as the skin and muscle visibly deform under gentle but firm pressure. The camera zooms into the compressed muscle fibers, moving inside this microscopic world. Red muscle strands squeeze tightly, responding dynamically to the firm hand pressing down. Glowing blue particles emerge, representing toxins being released from stressed muscle fibers. These tiny toxic particles drift outward, seeking pathways through the muscle tissue. Nearby blood vessels come into view, ready to carry away these harmful toxins. A vivid red river of flowing blood rushes through vessels, cleansing the area efficiently. The glowing blue toxins dissolve slowly as the rushing blood carries them away. Scientific visualization reveals this natural cleansing process in smooth, slow-motion flow. Understanding these processes unveils the hidden resilience of our muscular system. Experience anatomy like never before, precise, immersive, and scientifically captivating.